T, 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 D, 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 T and D, hello company.
Hi, boys and girls. My name is T. Hi, boys and girls. My name is D. Yeah! Hi, D. Hi, T. How you doing, T? I'm well, thank you. I'm great, too, thank you. Look at our toy. Look at our toy. I know it looks so cool. Boys and girls, our new word of the day is going to be the word airplane. Every time D hears our new word of the day, airplanes, he'll get excited. We're gonna have so much fun with our airplanes. Yeah! Airplanes, yeah! I'm so excited to play with our airplanes. Yeah! Airplanes, yeah! Let's get a cool close-up, D. Yeah, let's go! Wow, D, that was such a cool close-up of our toy airplanes! Yeah! Airplanes, yeah! Did you think that was really cool? Sure did, yeah! Alright, let's spell the word of the day for our boys and girls. Yeah, can I go Earthlies? Of course you may. Thank you! A I R E L A N E S. Great work, D. Thanks, D. Now it's your turn. Now it's your turn. Thank you. A I R P L A N E S. Great work. Thank you. Airplanes. Yeah! Airplanes. Yeah! Let's go play with our cool toys and let's open them, D. Yeah, let's go. I'm so excited. Yeah! Wow, Dee, I had so much fun with our toy airplanes! Yeah! Airplanes! Yeah! Did you? I had a great time too! Yeah! Alright, let's tell the boys and girls the colors our toys are. Yeah, can I go first, please? Of course you may. Thank you! Blue! Brown! Ink! Yellow! Great work, Dee. Thanks, Dee. Now it's your turn. Thank you. Blue! Brown, pink, yellow. Great work. Thank you. Yucca. Airplanes. Yeah! Airplanes. Yeah! All right. Let's count how many toys we have, Dee. Yeah, let's do it together. Sounds great. Yeah! One, two, three, four. Great work. Thank you. You too. Thank you. Yeah! Airplanes! Yeah! Airplanes! Yeah! All right, let's talk about our toys, Dee. Let's tell the boys and girls some special features. Yeah, let's do it together. Yeah! All right, this one right here is a helicopter, right? Yeah, this is a helicopter. Yeah! And our toys have wings, right, Dee? Yeah, our toys have wings. Yeah! And our toys have wheels, right, Dee? Yeah, our toys have wheels. Yeah! And our toys have tails, right, Dee? Yeah, our toys have tails. Yeah! And our toys are lots of fun, Dee, right? Yeah, our toys are lots of fun. Yeah! And our toys have eyes, right, Dee? Yeah, our toys have eyes. Yeah! Airplanes! Yeah! Airplanes! Yeah! Boys and girls, that's all for today. Please press like and subscribe, right, Dee? Yeah, boys and girls, that's all for today. See you next time. Please press like and subscribe, please. Yeah! Bye for now.
See you soon. See you soon. See you soon. Goodbye, company.